Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and I have a haul, and this was the Christmas box for this year, and it just came out um, 2 weeks ago, and now I'm off vacation and we're going to go through it. It is from Anna Griffin. It's the Christmas Grace card making kit. There is 36 card sets, and I don't remember how many pieces. I want to say like 500 to 700. Here is idea sheets, and she tells you how to do the new bow she's got. There's always an idea sheet. I normally don't use the idea sheet. I know there is 500 pop dots, so that's counted as one too, though. So look at all these embellishments. Then the gold, just gold embellishments. More embellishments. These are sentiments that says Merry Christmas and the words. These are card toppers where you just put this on the card and it becomes just a card. Here is tags. Here's inserts to go on top of the card to change it up. Look how thick that is. Here's all the cards. It has to sign on the back, and it has the sentiment already inside. So we'll go over that. Here is the bows, and here is extra toppers that go on that like that. So we'll go through this. Here are the envelopes, the 36 envelopes. So I'll go through this a little bit better. So let's look and see what the cards look like and how many we get each color. We get 3 of each. That's the Jasmine Christmas, I think. All of them have sentiments inside saying something. I could have opened them. Have a very Merry Christmas. May your Christmas be filled with love and grace. So that gives you an idea. Here's a little pink. They're thick, so it's hard to get a hold of. Oh, that one's pretty. Are all pretty, and that one's really pretty too. It's upside down. There you go. So that's the cards. Then the card toppers, to change it up. So you can put that there. See, the pink would go like that. You can put that there. See how it changes it up? Put that there. So there's all the card toppers. Isn't that just beautiful? This green and that green doesn't look good, but guess what? That does. But you don't even have to use these. These could be cards to mail out, or little postcards and stuff. Or you could use this for junk journaling. All this can be for junk journaling. So you don't have to change it up as much as you think. So now let's get one of these and I'll show you. So you would get this. And you could put it like that, that, or that. See, there's so much. Or this way, there's so much. Okay, these are the bows that you make, and there's 3 colors: gold, red, and green. You actually make a bow. Here is tags, and they're all different colors to coordinate. Here is the card toppers. that you could just use this and then save all the rest for junk journaling or card making or scrapbooking, and no one's going to know it but you. And look, your card is done, pop dotted or not, and it's done. And then look at all this that you can save. And then look, and look, and look. You can choose whatever, like, see, put that there and put that there. It's a lot of green though. Put that there and put that there. It doesn't take much to work with her products. It's so easy. So this right here could be your cards, and you could be really done. And then look, I have my pressed nail fill. I have a brand new nail. Let me put it back on and keep going. There we go. Looks all new again. How you like them? Okay. So then these are the words so that when you use all these, but there's just so much. You cannot go wrong with this card kit, guys. It's just overflowing and crazy beautiful. So hopefully you like it, and hopefully you got a kick out of my nails. They're from TikTok Shop, and I'm trying them out, and if they fall off, then I don't like them, but I do. Uh-oh, I lost another. All right, and now I gotta find it in here. Have a blessed day.